We got Citrus and Tiggs. Tiggs is trying to figure out what the hell this is.
I think it's real simple. I say what we have said.
She's scared.
Is that they were looking at whether or not there was collusion. That would be the crime that would have been committed, collusion or obstruction, and all of
Tiggs bad Citrus on the head. Banana's coming up. Look, there's Banana. Banana's coming up for the fight. Huh? What about Tiggs? What about Citrus?
She's not going to attack.
Oh, there goes Tiggs. Boom! Boom, right in the head to Citrus.
Oh, Citrus is salty. Uh-oh. Citrus didn't like that.
Uh-oh. Citrus is getting her beard puffed out. Look at that.
Oh, we found out how to get Citrus mad. Just put Tiggs right in front.
Citrus is not happy about that. Citrus is gonna get mad. Citrus is gonna. Oh, Citrus' mouth is open. She's not happy about that. Oh, Citrus is not happy. Tiggs, you're about to get hit. Tiggs, you're about to get destroyed. Citrus.
Citrus is climbing behind the pillows.
Citrus is finally going behind the pillows. Where's Tiggs going? Oh, Tiggs is going for the tail.
Just so he doesn't go down between the cushions.
I'll make sure.
Banana, attack Tiggs. Yeah, I hear you more. That's my buddy.
See how Citrus is just back there? Tiggs is finally left and Banana. Oh, Tiggs come back. See how scared this cat is of Citrus? Look at
Don't
this.
do that. Don't for both of them. You scare the daylights out of them.
Many constituents want to impeach the president.
One Citrus attack her. Which one that usually goes in the cage with her?
Oh.
Usually goes in the cage. Huh? Banana usually.
Okay, well, that's it for today.